Good day, viewers, and welcome back to the Jamaican Interview. Today's guest needs no introduction, and some would say I should not even be interviewing him. His prowess is known all across the globe. He'll be quick to remind us that he has been around since the beginning of time. He is loved by few, despised by nations. Today's guest is Crime. Welcome to the Jamaican Interview, Crime.
Yeah, man. Welcome in, my father.
No, Crime, we know you're a very busy man, especially here in Jamaica, so we won't waste any of your time. We know you could have settled anywhere in the world, but why Jamaica?
Why not Jamaica?
Well, Jamaica is known as a loving country with loving people, has a beautiful culture, just like a nation.
I'm joking.
You're laughing, it sounds like you don't agree with me. Enlighten us.
General, you mean the same Jamaica, where people from uptown and downtown are ring off my phone? Same Jamaica, man, we kill you for nothing, my general. Can't see Jamaica we are talking about.
Very interesting. So what you're saying to me, Crime, is that Jamaicans love you so much that you have found a place here and you have settled. That's what you're saying to me?
But I say, Ella, I not say everybody, you know, and everybody. But hear me now, you're not going to go somewhere you don't feel welcome, don't. You're not going to stay somewhere you don't feel comfortably, don't. From reach to Jamaica, Ella, I don't know, it's like open arms for me. I just feel welcome and comfortable in the country. I know for the woman them, I know for the killy them, I don't know how, I know for the politician them, I don't know something about the country, yo.
Very insightful.
But you look so much general like there's something wrong with you, alright?
Yes, I think I'm okay. I think so.
Hold on. Talk to me. Pinky, I'm going to talk to you and tell you for the already, Pinky. Pinky, you know about the acid, Pinky? So, Pinky, why you call on my phone, Pinky? I tell you, I got dash the acid on the girl, Pinky, you know listen to me. Pinky, come off my phone. Come off my phone.
So, Crime, what do you have to say about those crime-fighting initiatives like Zozos, etc., which have been implemented over the years to get rid of you from the country?
Zozo. My general, you hear me now? I don't care if a Zozo or a Momo or a Yo-Yo. Them can't come buy me out like a go-go, you see me? I make you know, say, no matter how much Zozo and them things them put in, my general. You see, the art of man and the mind of man do transform and change, my general. Nothing now going to change, Ella. What you feel like, say? I feel like a man that kill a man or do wrong. And me it start with? It don't start with me. Me are the end product, my general. I just do Dubai party, you know. We have things like bad mind, you have envy, you have grudgeful, you have anger and them things, my general. Me just stay at the end. You see me? I'm going to tell him man what to do. When he reach the stage, you know say man do something.
I see.
I never hear a man boss say they want to put in place a plan. If you stop bad mind, if you stop grudgeful, if you stop anger and them things there. You see me? I not hear nobody else say that. But you know want to put in place a crime
Very
plan.
insightful. Ladies and gentlemen, Crime is dropping nuggets here. You would not have expected it.
Oh, General, I have a question for you, ask you. How is it that a big upstanding man like you reach the marina, you know? I don't understand.
I'm as confused as you. What is going on? I came here properly dressed and everything for this interview. I don't understand.
But anyway, Ella, give thanks to the interview, but time is money, and money is time, and time is going. So you know, Ella, since I already started the process of taking off them thing there and them thing there, you see me? Might as well just continue. So you're going to take the camera of them, and take a light.
No, seriously, this is what you came to do. This is what you came to my studio to do.
Speedily.
No, seriously, this is what you're going to do right now.
Speed with it.
No, hold on, this is what you're going to do right now?
Quick and fast, my general. Quick and fast.